Here's problem 1 from the 2008 AMC 8. Susan had $50 to spend at the Carnival. She spent $12 on food and twice as much on rides. How many dollars did she have left to spend? The choices are 12, 14, 26, 38, and 50. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, find how much she spent on rides. Twice as much as the $12 she spent on food is 2 times 12, which is $24. Now add up everything she spent. $12 on food plus $24 on rides equals $36. Finally, subtract from what she started with. $50 minus $36 leaves $14. So the answer is 14, which is choice B.